again, guys, it's me, Persebabe 10 Unboxing. Today we're going to unbox or unbox this hair dryer. So this is the cheapest hair dryer that I've found on eBay, I guess. I don't know, I forgot. Yep, I'm gonna tell you guys in the testing part. Yep. So it's the packaging, it's filled with just bubble wrap. Awesome. So now, fast forward on opening the bubble wrap starts right now. So that's the end of the unboxing, or I mean the removing of the thing. So this is the Nova NV899 professional hair blower. I meant, yep, it's a hair dryer. So it's the back, front, yeah, 200, and this is a different language and stuff. So in English, it has 3 temperature settings, 2 speed settings, cool shot. I don't know what the heck is that. Professional finger diffuser and styling nozzle. I don't know what the hell was that. An air intake filter, excuse me. Hanging loop power supply of 110 to 220 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. So it's the backs, amazing. So now let's go to the opening of the box and see what's the insides of it. So here's an in-depth review of the more in-depth review of the thing, of the part of this video. So it comes in a plastic. So now let's remove this thing out. Yep. Up. I don't have a tripod, sorry. My tripod broke and blah blah blah, you don't care. So it comes in a plastic. And so is the hair dryer itself. So I bought this thing because I'm gonna use it to like dry paint on my artworks and stuff. Yep. And yeah, I'm gonna use this to dry paint off my art that is going to be used on my animation channel. So it will be like stop motion and stuff. So watch out for that. So go subscribe to Persebabe 10 Animations if you want to watch them stop motion someday. Yep, those will be uploaded, I don't know, within this year or maybe next year. So yeah, back to the review. So the hair dryer is pretty big, and the design is pretty cool, as you can see right there. Those scaly thing, the diamond in shape design, as you can see right there. Don't know what the hell do you call this, but it's a pretty cool design and paint job. It's gold in real life, but on camera it looks like a yellowish gold sort of thing. Yeah. And to work this thing, to work this thing, you always need to plug this thing on the wall, blah blah blah, and remove the tie. So this switch on top, this switch on top controls the heating process. So you can put on a medium heat, like kinda hot, and you can put on ultra hotness, so you can like use all the freaking heat that this product can produce. Yeah. So you can put it on neutral, so it will heat up very slowly. Middle part will kind of heat up a little bit fast, and the third one, it will heat up like freaking so fast, faster than Sonic. And the bottom part, is the speed, so off and to turn on and on. So it has first speed and second speed. Pretty cool. But the downside of this product, you can like fold it or anything, so it's stuck to this huge ass thing. Yep, it will get demonetized. Shoot. Censor YouTube. Bull crap. So it comes with attachment part, so you plug it in right there in front, so therefore it can have a steady flat shooting stream of air. Yep. So if you want to have a precise air flow, you use this attachment. So now let's go on to the test of this hair dryer. So now is the test of the blower. As you can see, I've already plugged it in, and so I will use this to like try my art stuff and for my stop motion animation short film that will be coming out soon in my channel, Percival 10 animation channel. So yeah, so I use this. So there are like 3 modes. So they are like not too hot and super hot, and there are only like 2 speeds, slow or fast. Yep. So now I'm just gonna press it now. So that's speed 1, speed 2. So that's basically it. And by the way, this stick is pretty nice, pretty cheap, and it has an attachment so you can like force up breeze, like direct breeze to whatever you're trying to dry. And yeah, pretty cheap for its price. And that's it. Pretty good. It's big. This the airflow of this is pretty cool. It's pretty cold and it's pretty hot enough to like dry my paper arts stuff for my stop motion. So that's it for the unboxing, review, and test. So very nice item. This was a short unboxing and test video. I'm sorry, but this was pretty cool, pretty good hair dryer. And yeah, by the way, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to comment down below what item shall I review next. And yeah, don't forget to hit that bell icon so you will get notified when I upload a new video. And that's it, guys. See you in my next video. Goodbye. Hair dryer.